urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Stark County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Cuyahoga Falls to near Waynesburg, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Kenton, Youngstown, Warren, Salem, Ravenna, Columbiana, Cuyahoga Falls, Boardman, North Royalton, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Solon, Alliance, Hudson, Niles, Twinsburg, Talmadge, and North Canton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit, and Trumbull.